Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on Windows 11. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select model, click Next. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Fourth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.